The last part on the sales screen over here to the right in these boxes is the delivery status. So the delivery status of a sales order is indicative of what is the status of that sales order. The way to move forward within the workflow with Katana prior to fulfilling a sales order is making sure that the sales items are all in stock before sending it out. So you might do something where you organize your list by bringing all of the items that were in stock or in green to the top of your list. And then if it's presently in stock, you can change it to a packed state. And when you change it to a packed state, what you're actually doing is you're physically removing the items that are in that sales order and are available from inventory. So your live in-stock value inventory will drop based on the quantity of those items in that sales order the moment you marked it to a packed status. Now, when you're doing your order fulfillments, generally at the time when you start issuing tracking numbers with your courier service or with whatever company that you work with who does deliveries, you will shortlist all of your packed sales orders and then generate tracking numbers for those sales orders and then marking the sales orders as delivered in real time, thus updating their fulfillment state. Once you've cleared the filters and you see what you still currently have here, then you'll notice that all of those sales orders have dropped off the list and they'll be located in the done order list. If we look inside of a sales order, you can see that the status for the sales order itself is seen up here. So you can adjust it for each individual order on the inside of the order if you would like to as well. We will be introducing partially packed delivery state where you can partially pack orders, meaning that if you only have a handful of items within the sales order itself, you can pack those items that are available and then also do a partial shipment of an already pending sales order, something that we're working on, and hopefully by the time you see this video, we will already have. And that more or less is the overview of the sales order fulfillment and delivery status.